The BMW M6 is more than just a car. It's a statement of performance, luxury, and timeless design. From the very first glance, the aggressive stance, wide body, and iconic kidney grille tell you this machine was crafted to dominate both the road and your senses. The M badge is not just a symbol. It represents decades of engineering excellence, track experience, and pure driving passion. At the heart of the M6 lies a powerhouse, a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that delivers breathtaking performance. With over 550 horsepower and immense torque, this car doesn't just accelerate, it launches. In just about 4 seconds, it goes from 0 to 100, and every time you push the throttle, the engine responds with a roar that is both thrilling and addictive. It's a sound that reminds you this car was designed for drivers who demand the extraordinary. But the M6 is not only about straight-line speed. The engineering team at BMW has equipped it with advanced suspension systems, precise steering, and a chassis that hugs the road with confidence. Whether you're carving through mountain roads, taking on sharp corners, or cruising on the highway, the car gives you a perfect balance between power and control. The rear-wheel drive dynamics, combined with electronic aids, make every drive feel like an event. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. Step inside the BMW M6 and you enter a world of craftsmanship and technology. The interior is designed to surround the driver with elegance and comfort. From fine leather seats with perfect stitching to carbon fiber accents and aluminum trims, every detail is a reflection of luxury. The seating position is low and sporty, making you feel connected to the road, yet comfortable enough for long journeys. The advanced infotainment system, crisp digital displays, and premium sound system bring technology and entertainment to your fingertips. Driving the M6 is an emotional journey. It gives you power when you want it, silence when you need it, and style every moment in between. Unlike many cars that focus only on performance or only on comfort, the M6 manages to strike a rare balance. It can be your weekend sports car, your daily driver, and your long-distance cruiser, all in one. The adaptive driving modes allow you to transform the car's character from calm and relaxed to aggressive and track-ready with just the push of a button. The exterior design is bold, muscular, and elegant. Wide fenders, aerodynamic lines, and the iconic M styling cues make sure this car turns heads wherever it goes. The aggressive front bumper, large air intakes, and quad exhaust tips at the rear aren't just for looks. They serve a purpose, enhancing aerodynamics and cooling while giving the M6 its unmistakable road presence. What makes the BMW M6 truly special is that it blends heritage with modern innovation. It carries forward BMW's tradition of high-performance grand tours, while also embracing the future with advanced technology, safety systems, and precision engineering. Every drive feels like a celebration of what a performance car should be: fast, beautiful, and deeply engaging. Owning an M6 isn't just about having a powerful car. It's about being part of a legacy, a community of enthusiasts who understand that driving is more than getting from one place to another. It's about the journey, the thrill, and the connection between driver and machine. The BMW M6 stands as one of the finest examples of what happens when performance and luxury meet without compromise. It's not just designed to impress, it's designed to excite, to inspire, and to leave a lasting impression every time you sit behind the wheel. So when you see the BMW M6 on the road, you're not just looking at another luxury car. You're witnessing a masterpiece of engineering, a blend of power and elegance that only a few cars in the world can match. And when you drive it, you'll understand that this is not just about speed, not just about style. It's about experiencing the ultimate expression of driving pleasure, the true spirit of BMW.